Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. In it, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like location. Now click on one of your apps, in my case calendar, and select the best option for you by clicking on it. Only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on it and go back, I can see that calendar just gained access to my device's location. But you can always just pick an app that you are interested in and tap on See All Calendar Permissions instead. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!